Hello, to set up Gemini AI on your Xiaomi Poco X7, first of all you have to go into our settings, then scroll all the way down and go into Google right here. And here we have Google services. Let's select all services and let's find the search assistant and voice. Let's go in here, and here we have the Gemini. We press it and you have to open it using Google, this Google right here. We can't use it with the browser because, as you can see, it will not work. So we have to open this with the Google, this Google right here, and right now we have to scroll down and press continue, and again we have to scroll down and select use Gemini. Alright, after we enabled the Gemini, we have to be sure that all the way down right here we have to go here and go into digital assistants from Google, and you have to be sure that we have Gemini selected instead of Google Assistant. And basically after that you can press and hold this button and here you have the Gemini. So that's how to set up the Gemini AI. Thank you for watching.